Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and welcome to Rock Guitar Building Speed 3. This is a course where we're taking you from zero to hero in rock lead guitar, building up your abilities on the fretboard that you one day gonna be able to play this stuff really fast. And we're having here the shaolin approach, so we, exercise by exercise, just continue, keep it simple. Make your body use, your hands move, and your muscles use to all these movements that one day you're going to be able to really proceed the stuff really fast and effortless. That's basically the key of this course. If you missed the previous lessons, please go back to the previous lessons. As I said, it's building up. This is Rock Guitar Building Speed 3. And what are we doing today? We're making combinations with economic picking arpeggios and the 3-note per string patterns, which probably will sound something like this. Yeah, so step by step, so let's get started. Yeah, we have a progression here with G5, 2 bars G5, 2 bars E flat 5, 2 bars C5, back to 2 bars of G5. So first we need to know, of course, the modes which are played. This is in G minor, so we're playing G minor Aeolian here, and we're using the standard 3-note per string patterns which root either on the E string or on the A string. So we're using in this case on the G minor this pattern here. So that's the 3-note per string pattern of G minor, and the finger is explained in previous tutorials. So what we're doing now, here we're just working up patterns which resolve perfectly on one bar. So if you play this, that was one bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So we're playing from root till one note above the root and back. And try to play with palm mute technique and stay relaxed here, so that all movements are really relaxed and effortless. And at the beginning the stretching will be a problem, so just keep it simple, slow, and just build up your muscle memory, build up that your hands can take this stretching. And then G minor to E flat Lydian, that will be this pattern here, the entire. So the full pattern will be, but we again taking from root till one note above the root. Then we're going to C minor. Here we have Dorian. This will be this pattern here. That's again the standard 3-note per string pattern with root on the A string. And back to G minor. So we're playing from this first exercise and really relaxed and in timing. The track is quite slow, so you don't have any stress. It's only 80 BPM, so. And you already heard it a little bit. You can try while you play these patterns that you start to alter the position of your picking hand, getting more into pinch harmonic. So you, out of the movement, resolve it that you get into pinch harmonic. So that's quite a task, you know, that everything stays stable, relaxed, and that you stay fluent and on time, okay? So that will be a first exercise. Now, we want to take it over 2 octaves, and in this case, it doesn't resolve perfectly. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It's one missing, okay? To finish it. So the trick is you add a chromatic note in between the 7th and the root. You add a chromatic one, and then it resolves perfect. Okay. And if you want to go back down, you just start here again. So you go up, resolves perfectly. On the E flat, there we have a problem because we don't have a flat 7, so we put the chromatic note between the 5th and the 6th. That will be here or in the high position. So and also try to get out of the palm muted position, try to give them more pinch harmonic sound to make it more interesting. So all things have to be considered, and you have to practice them slowly. Now we go to C, same thing again. So let's do this. So it's really cool, and it's not so easy as it looks. As I said, you need to train your synchronization, the relaxation of the hand. It takes some time, so keep it easy. Now we want to add some arpeggios, but we want to do it with economic picking, because I mean, if you would play with altered picking, that's also cool, but when it gets faster, then we might run into problems. So we try to build up the economic picking as early as possible. In this case, we are just playing 1 octave. Later we're going to do 2, but we start with 1 octave, but there we have to pay attention to the picking hand, that everything is done properly. So G minor 7 will be this one here. That's quite easy, quite obvious. Now we do down stroke, up stroke, down, down, up, down, up, up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up. So that will be the movement of the picking hand. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, up. So that movement will stay as well on the E flat, but here with the arpeggios like this. It's the same movement, just a different arpeggio. Same movement here on the C minor. So back to G minor. So let's do this now. Okay, so that was not so bad. Now we make a combination of the two exercises. We take the first and this last one, make one bar the first, one bar the last to have the combination, and try to don't make any mistakes. With a picking hand, that will sound like that. Guys, that was already building up speed 3, rock guitar, build up speed 3. That's enough for the for today. As I said, we're doing the Shaolin approach, step by step. Just keep a lot of repetitions till you have this automatism. That is, you don't need to think about it. I cannot tell how hard it is to speak and to play the stuff, you know. So I also needed to have my automatisms done, you know, that you can speak, you know what I mean. Just the repeats will make the success of the whole thing. Keep it easy. Do at least 2 repeats of each exercise every day. With a Shaolin approach, with discipline and dedication, then you will get to the Quam. If you have any questions, I really strongly suggest that you join the HPCrazy Guitar community. There you can download this exercise plus the backing track, and you can open up your students blog if you have any questions or you want me to monitor your progress and stuff like that. Good, and come back later for the next, for building up speed 4, or check the previous ones, and if you missed those ones. See you guys.